We are in a Dutch beachfront club level junior suite. Let's take a look at the bathroom first. This is the bathroom. Hair dryer. Red Lane Spa. Amenities. Lots of storage. Walk-in shower. The toilet. King-size bed. All the rooms in Sandals have king-size beds. Closet. All club level rooms come with bathrobes. Safe. Umbrella. Extra pillows, towels. Lots of storage. Again, this is club level, so it includes your liquor, in-room dining. All rooms have stocked fridges, white wine, champagne, beer, juices, cokes, waters, soda, also red wine. Nice seating area. We got a little gift in our room. Sweet treat to start the night. And then there's our balcony. A soaking tub. You can pull these curtains closed for privacy. Bistro set. You want room service coffee or breakfast. And here's our view. Below are the swim-up rooms. And out that way are the bungalows. That is the Dutch beachfront club level suite, junior suite at Sandals South Coast.